Hey, today I just want to share a tip with you about spirit and your mind. It is Super Bowl Sunday, and it's good to just unplug for a moment. So here I am at the Tangler outlet and just enjoying shopping by myself, getting my mind just relaxed from everything, just unplugging from it all just for a moment. And the right spirit is loving who you are, knowing who you are, loving who you are, loving your flaws, loving everything about you. Now, we all have some things that we do have to work on. So I suggest that you work on those things, but also just love you. So the spirit part is love who you are, love your flaws, love everything about you, because God created you unique, and we all have our differences and we all shape differently, but at the end of the day, you're still you. And the mind, unplug, take time for you. And of course, I also left the vehicle. I've done my shopping and I'm just walking now. So I actually getting it all three in: spirit, mind, and body. So this is Marguerite with Body Spit for Life, Spirit, Mind, and Body. Talk to you soon, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.